Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is a bling haul. This is from several different companies, as well as the Dollar Tree and Walmart and Joann's. And I am very pleased with what I have. This is going to keep me busy all the way through Christmas. And I refuse to buy any more until I've used quite a bit. The only other thing that I can add to this is a Dollar Tree gemstones. And I've had these for a while and never showed them with a haul. But that's also bling and I need that for a specific project. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, the first store that I went to was Joann Fabrics. And I was really disappointed. They didn't have that much. I did get a couple of, they're calling this metallic trim. It's more like a ribbon. And this one is pretty close together. It's really reflective and it looks like a whole lot of glitter in there. And the other one that I got was this, and this one almost looks like it has a stone in the center. I mean, it doesn't, but it looks like it. Also very reflective. And then I got these snowflakes. And these were $4.99 a piece, and I did have a 40% off coupon, so I got one of them for $2 off. But yeah, this is to finish a project that I have been wanting to finish for a year. I know exactly what I want to do with it, and it needs snowflakes. So, that was it for Joann's. Like I said, I was really disappointed because their prices have gone up like crazy. And without coupons, I'm not buying anything anymore. Or unless it's on sale for a good amount. But, yeah. These are so pretty. Okay, that was it for my Joann's. Walmart. I didn't get that much at Walmart. I did get some of their adhesive gemstones. These are the holographic ones that I mean, I usually get them, but I usually get them larger. And they've had this size out for a long time. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to get it. As far as ribbon goes, I looked through it. Most of it I had. But I did find this in gold. And I'm not really a gold person. But I really, really like this. And I got some in silver too. And I can see a few things that I would like to do with this. And there it is in silver. And then they had some trim, and it's not I can't even describe it. It's not exactly like bling. It has got stones in it, not just the metal reflective pieces that the rhinestone bling usually has. And yeah, I really like this. This looks almost like rhinestone chain. And I got some more of the holographic trim. I really love the way this looks, and I know I'm going to be using a lot of this at Christmas time, so I figured I would get it while they have it and kind of stock up on it. Well, I got my order from Totally Dazzled, and I've been dying to try their stuff out. And it got here a lot sooner than I thought it would. Well, the first thing I did was order snowflakes. And I got it's a 10-pack. There's 2 in each card. So that project that I have been wanting to do for over a year is going to get done this year for sure. Now that I have this and those ones that I got from Joann's. And I got the mixed bag of brooches. Oh man, these are so pretty. Oh, this one has a dangle. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I'm going to have such a good time with this. Wow. I'm impressed. Totally Dazzled. Yeah, I'm definitely impressed with everything that I got here. Yeah, I should have a really good time with these. And between the mixed bag and the snowflakes, I'm pretty well set for... okay, I got this from eFavormart. And this is something that I really, really wanted for a specific project. And granted, they're plastic, they're not crystal, and they're not glass, but for what I have in mind, this is going to be perfect. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of this. And I was really surprised at how much was on this. I mean, this thing is huge. It's going to take me forever and a day to use this. But this is really blingy trim. And I already have a couple ideas, but needless to say, there's so much. I'm going to be using this for quite a while. And for the last of my Bling Haul, BeeBeeCrafts. Their stuff takes longer to get than the other places that I bought from, but it is coming from China. And they've got a really nice selection. These are Aurora Borealis chains, rhinestone chain. And this is a slightly larger size of the Aurora Borealis rhinestone chain. And I already have plans for these. I mean, wow. I haven't even taken these out of the plastic yet, and they're sparkling like crazy. And last but not least, Now there were a couple things I still want to get from BeeBeeCrafts. I finally found what I was looking for. But these are like little mirror towels, but they've got stones on either side. Little rhinestones. So I should have a really good time with this. And like I told you with my last haul, this is the last of my hauls for a while. I'm going to start shopping my stash because I've got way too much stuff. I've been waiting for this. See, I ordered this June 13th, so it's been over a month, but I'm done. This is my Bling Haul, and I'm totally done with buying anything else until I've used a big majority of what I have. And why am I doing this? Because I'm planning on cleaning out the craft room, and when I get everything done and purged, I'll do a craft room tour. If that's something you'd be interested in seeing, let me know. Well, that's everything. Like I said, I've got Walmart, and I've got Dollar Tree, and Totally Dazzled, and eFavormart, and BeeBeeCrafts. And I am in my glory. I mean, if it sparkles, you know how much I love it. So I hope you are going to stay tuned for some of the projects I've been coming up with in my mind's eye. And definitely I've got a lot of Christmas ideas. And I can't believe it. It's not that far away. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.